Welcome back, savvy investors. Today, we're diving deep into the numbers of one of the biggest players in the e-commerce game, JD.com. Forget about the usual cat videos and makeup tutorials, because we're about to break down some serious financial mojo that'll make your portfolio do a happy dance. First up, let's talk about JD.com's price-to-earnings ratio, or PR. Buckle up, because this ride gets wild. With a trailing 12 months PR of 12.64 and an average of 41 over the last 5 years, JD's got some serious street cred. But hold on to your hats, because the forward PR drops jaws at a tantalizing 7.63, suggesting the future's looking brighter than a supernova. Now, if you're into roller coasters, you'll love the PG ratio, standing at a thrilling 0.71. Strap in, folks, because this metric tells us that not only is JD.com a steal right now, but it's set to rocket even higher in the coming years. Ever wonder who's really calling the shots behind the scenes? With insider ownership tipping the scales at 0.68%, it's clear that the big guns are keeping a close eye on JD.com's trajectory. JD.com isn't just making waves, it's riding a tidal wave of return on investment glory. With return of equity clocking in at 10.78%, return of assets at 3.92%, and return of invested capital at 5.4%, it's safe to say that JD knows how to turn earning like nobody's business. When it comes to cash flow, JD.com is swimming in the green. Earning per share? A solid 2.15. EPS growth over the next 5 years? A jaw-dropping 17.83%. But let's not forget the past, my friends. JD's evolution of earnings per share over the last 9 years has been nothing short of spectacular, with a compound annual growth rate of 22.13%. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, JD's free cash flow per share over the last 9 years has been on a wild ride, with a compound annual growth rate of 26.8%. For those hungry for income, JD serves up a delectable dividend yield of 2.24%. Additionally, it has started dividend trajectory in 2022 and pays the dividend annually. Now let's talk about the margins, the operating margin at 2.66% and profit margin at 2.23%, indicating how efficiently JD is turning its revenue into earnings. But wait, there's more. JD.com's revenue and earnings have been on a rocket ship to the moon over the last 8 years, with an evolution so positive it'd make even the most stoic investor crack a smile. Yet somehow, the market hasn't caught on, leaving JD.com's potential untapped and ripe for the picking. Fear not, risk-averse investors, because JD.com knows how to keep its financial house in order. With a debt-equity ratio of 0.30 and long-term debt equity at a mere 0.24, it's smooth sailing ahead. At a market cap of $42.72 billion, JD.com is no small fry. But here's the kicker: despite its size, JD.com has seen a roller coaster of a ride over the past 52 weeks, with an average price return of minus 31.55%. Talk about a wild ride. So, what does the future hold for JD.com? Analysts predict a price target of $36.36 in the next 12 months, marking a juicy upside of 33.53%. But hold on to your seats, because I've got a hunch that the fair value of JD.com is even higher, coming in at a cool $37.32. With potential undervaluation lurking in the shadows, now's the time to strike while the iron's hot. And there you have it, folks, the untold story of JD.com, a stock powerhouse with more twists and turns than a summer blockbuster. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing.